Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body beginning to relax. Allow your mind to let go of the day's thoughts as you focus solely on the sound of my voice. With each breath you take, feel yourself becoming more relaxed. Imagine a warm wave of relaxation flowing from the top of your head, cascading down to your shoulders and into your arms. Feel this wave traveling down your spine, into your legs, and finally reaching your toes. With each release of your breath, let go of any tension or stress. You are entering a state of deep calm and peace. Picture yourself standing at the top of a gentle staircase. Each step down leads you deeper into a state of focus and calm. Begin to descend the stairs slowly. 10. With each number, take a deeper breath. 9. Feel your mind growing quieter. 8. Your focus sharpening. 7. 6. You're halfway down now, feeling ever so calm. 5. Let go of any remaining distractions. 4. 3. Nearly there. 2. 1. You are now deeply relaxed. In this peaceful state, visualize a clear, calm lake. Its surface is perfectly still, undisturbed by any external factors. Imagine your mind as this lake. Thoughts may try to ripple the water, but with each breath, the surface becomes smooth once more. You hold the power to still your thoughts, silencing any noise. As you breathe in, feel a wave of focus and intent filling you. As you breathe out, any distractions dissolve away. Each inhale empowers your focus. Each exhale silences your mind. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, beginning to feel the energy of the room around you. As I count from 1 to 5, you will return to full awareness, bringing with you this deep focus and tranquil mind. 1. Taking a gentle breath. 2. Feeling more aware. 3. Starting to move your body. 4. Nearly there. And 5. Open your eyes when you are ready, feeling refreshed, focused, and at peace. Welcome back. Carry this calm and focus with you as you continue your day.